Hello my friends, and welcome back. In today's live programming video, we're going to be doing some work on Komorebi, the tiling window manager for Windows, written in the Rust programming language. So in the last video, I started trying to work on the new documentation page. I got actually a little bit further. So this is what we have right now. I managed to figure out some of the navigation. We have our index page. We have a little page about the design. We have a getting started with installation instructions for scoop and winget and building from source. I have a page for the example configurations, how you download them. I managed to include the snippets so they stay auto updated. And I've just gone through some of the things that people might commonly want to play with when they are editing that initial example configuration. And that is both for komorebi.json and for WHKDRC. So the next thing that I wanted to do, because I thought it's quite a good low-hanging fruit, it's also very useful, is to have a complete CLI reference. And I thought about doing this next because we spent some time here talking about, you set .shell here appropriately, key bindings go to the left of the colon, that should say, and commands go to the right. But I was like, hey, shouldn't we link to a page where you can see all of the commands? So what Wes does here on the WesTerm website, under the CLI reference, you just see the output. And it looks like Wes is also using clap to create the CLI. So I thought, hey, why don't we do the same thing? So Wes is let's see, WesTerm on GitHub. I think the last time I looked, it seems like he is. Okay, we go into CLI. Yeah, so like he's just doing includes of text files. Examples. Okay, so I figured we could, I think in our case right now, we can probably just be happy if we, I think if we just generate the Markdown directly, I think that'll be good enough for us. So let's do that. So I was already in Komorebi C. I made a sneaky little commit earlier today. Why don't we just have a quick look at that? What this commit does is, if you run Komorebi C check and you have app-specific configuration path set to, somewhere where there isn't a file, this is going to give you some feedback and say, hey, this file doesn't exist. Try running this, because this command not only fetches the latest version, but it also outputs the download destination. So that was a cool little one. So you know what? I think we might as well just generate this with Komorebi C instead of having a build script. And we add this here. Let's call this docgen, and actually let's hide this, right? We don't want people to see this. This is just for our use case internally. So let's do just install Komorebi C. Just install target Komorebi C. Oh, right, we have to cover that, of course. Alright, so we'll do sub command doc gen. And that should be good for now, I hope. Sweet. And I just want to make sure that I have set my DPI high enough, because it looks the DPI looks kind of small. I've actually had to shift to my vertical monitor full time because my main monitor died in the Seattle freeze. It went like -10, and the ultra-wide monitor I had just couldn't hack it anymore. So, alright, I've upped the DPI to 200. Hopefully that looks okay. If it doesn't, apologies. Wait, is that even changing it? I'm not sure. It's at 200%. 225? Okay, maybe that looks a bit more like what it used to look like on the ultra wide monitor. So I think that should be okay. So we now have Komorebi C docgen, right? Yeah, we have that, but it should not come up here because we set hide, right? And it doesn't. The first one we have is quick start, and that is hidden. Sweet. So what do we want to do here? Maybe let's have a look at the clap RS docs. I wanna render the help text. Print help. I think this is gonna print it to stand it out. No, I don't want that. Just looking down here on the left. Render long help to a styled stir. Okay, that looks good. So that is on command. So let's do that. I guess ops is our main command. Render. Render didn't show up with anything. Let's have a look. What do we have? Oh, command factory. Let's do that. And then, okay, we have render. Ooh, get subcommands. I think that's what we want, because we want to do it for each one of these subcommands. So that should return for us an iterator. Probably need to import the trait there. So for cmd in get subcommands. Whoa, there we go. Alright, so for cmd in get subcommands, do you wanna help me out here with some auto completion? Maybe? There we go. Nice and slow, just the way we like it. So we have cmd render long help. Awesome. That's what we want. So let help text equals that. What is this saying? Cannot borrow immutable. Huh? Okay, so this requires a mutable reference to self. I think I saw a get subcommands moot. Yeah. So that should fix that. What the hell is going on every time I save the file? Keeps losing my position. Alright, so why don't we split this out? Subcommands. And I guess we want to write this to file, right? So why don't we do file system create dir all, and this will go in docs CLI. I think this returns a result. Yep. So we'll have that. What else can we get from the command? Can we get the command name? Yes, we can get name. Let command name. We can just call it name. We'll get that to string so that we have a copy. Sorry, that we have an owned copy every time we go through this iteration. So now we want a Markdown template. So we'll have name. Then we'll have new line, code block, new line, help text, new line, and code block. Let Markdown is that. Styled stir, that probably doesn't implement display. Why don't we toString that? And then let out path equals out path will be docs CLI name dot markdown. Format call without parameters. Oh, that went away when we updated. So then we'll do standard file system write. Yep. We'll do out path markdown. Hopefully this works the way I think it's gonna work. Yeah, looks like it's gonna compile. Let's do a quick cargo check. Ooh, okay. Temporary is freed. Okay, so we'll get, we'll call this CLI. Let's see how that goes. All right. CLI needs to be mutable to be able to call get subcommands mutable. That makes sense. That actually makes a lot of sense. Okay, we are looking good. So, just install target Komorebi C. Let's let that compile. And then we should be able to go into the Komorebi directory. Oh man, actually we want to be on our branch. Feature make docs. We'll have to stash this in a second. Stash and pop. Get stash. Make docs. Oh, but we need to rebase, so git rebase master, git push force, git stash pop. There we go. Now we have all the latest stuff. Except I don't want that standard fs. import at the top. Cool. Anyway, so now if we do Komorebi C docgen, okay, it looks like that completed successfully. And what do we have here? Active window border, enable or disable the active window border. Beautiful. That is, can you imagine if I had to frickin' copy and paste the output of the help of every single command into this? I would go insane. I would actually go insane. But that is why we automate things. And now, every time a new command is added, or if there is a breaking change and something has changed, we can just run docgen again, and then we have this entire CLI reference. Beautiful. I love it. All right, so let's commit this. Git add docs CLI. Ooh. Okay. We'll add all of that. I'll run git cz on the terminal. Actually, let's just run just fumped real quick. Make sure that we are not missing anything, which of course we are missing something. Line 1204. 1204. This will be standard file system. Right? So let's just fumpt again. Make sure we're not introducing any clippy lint errors, which it looks like we're not. So now we can feat CLI add docgen command for make docs pages, and we can push that, and we can come into NixOS. Now we can get rid of Rust Rover IntelliJ. So we'll come into Komorebi, we will git pull, git reset pod master feature make docs. Is that right? Yeah. All right, so we'll elvim, and we will go to makedocs.yaml. In the end, I did it like this, all right? Oh my god, am I gonna have to add a nav for everything? CLI reference. Can this work? All right. Next shell. Hopefully that's everything we need for make docs. Okay, what is it saying about CLI? But are not included in the nav. Damn it. What about a relative path to CLI is included? Can I do it like that? Like that. Well, I mean, let's just see what we come up with here. Alright, this is our next challenge. Make docs nav all files in subfolder. Oh my god. Why is this still open? This is insane. God. Make docs awesome pages. Does NixOS have that? I don't know, man. God frickin' damn it. I was so close. I was so goddamn close. I already have make docs macros. Maybe I can use that. This plugin won't do anything if to make use of. Oh god. Alright, so alright, I guess if nothing else, what is it gonna do? Alright man, let's try this. The Python world is such a drag. What's it called? Gen CLI .py, I guess we can call it. God damn it. I don't even freaking have this, dude. Python YAML. Like, what is the main frickin' YAML library? I don't even know. Maybe we generate this from Rust. The Pages refactor, which doesn't exist. Oh my god. Okay, I guess we go back to Rust Rover, because I am not gonna get further into this goddamn Python mess. So gen CLI can go, and here we are going to just output. We're gonna output this, I think. So if we say this is CLI reference, And the first one is, for example, CLI what? Active window border color. Active window border color.md. Okay, I think this can work. So what we will do is have I lost my mouse? Oh no. IntelliJ has crashed. Lovely. Lovely. I love it when things just work, don't you? Alright, pkill idea 64. Nope. Rust Rover 64. Yeah. Alright. Let's try that again. And right, so we can just debug. Oops. We can no, sorry, we can print line. Maybe we do 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me validate that actually. How many spaces are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then here we'll have CLI slash name dot. Do I use .md to reference? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. But it does not look like that one is coming through. It doesn't look like any of the variables are coming through, but we'll see. If it works, you know? Komorebi C. Oh, just install target Komorebi C first. Let's make sure it's installed. And then, yeah, we'll see how that goes. It would be very nice if it prints it out in the order of the enum. I hope it does. That would be nice. Komorebi C docgen. Sweet, it looks like it does. But it unfortunately also looks like... My god, what is going on with Rust Rover today? JetBrains, you are killing me. You are actually killing me today. There we go. Anyway, we got what we needed, right? So we'll cd Komorebi. We'll do Komorebi C docgen. We'll grab all of these and put them into here. Oh, we need to do a thing actually, because we don't want the docgen docs in there. Let's try Rust Rover again. Maybe I'll be able to do half a commit without it yelling at me. Yeah, we got them all coming up now. That's nice. Alrighty, so if name is not docgen, then we want to do all of this. Then and only then do we want to do all of this. So I'm going to remove docgen from here. We're going to delete that. Oh, why is this all different? Huh. Okay, I'm not sure. Maybe it's because of the terminal I was using when I called the command. Yes to all. How do I do yes to all? Alright, let's git add docs. Git add Komorebi C. Just pumped, and then we'll do a cheeky little git push force. Yep, git commit amend, git push force. Which means that... Alright, before I do anything there, I just wanna enjoy this. Yeah. I like it. The whole website is coming along. The whole website is coming along. I'm very happy with this. Very proud of this. Gotta figure out how to get the search going again though. So material mk docs search not working. Setting up site search. Plugins search. Ooh, that probably will be the plugin that I don't have. So we'll do plugins search. I do not have the search plugin. Lovely. What the hell is the search plugin? It's enabled by default but must be re-added when other plugins are used. These are deprecation warnings, we don't care about that. So it looks like we got the search working again. Hey, so auto start. Oh my god, this looks so cool. Border. Amazing. I know color. Oh my god, this is so sweet. Oh, this is amazing. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling pretty good. Oh my god, look at this. Alright, I gotta get rid of this. Ooh. Oh, okay, so I just force pushed, which means I gotta stash. Git stash. Git reset. Did I get the latest? No, I didn't. Yeah. Git stash pop. Saw something about a white space error here. That would do it. Git add make docs. And then let's go into, I believe it was installation. And so these now need to point to scoop, winget, and building from source. I'm probably gonna have to add a flake.nix here just for this. Okay, so that sends me to scoop. That sends me to winget. And that sends me to building from source. I like it. I like it. Oh my god, this is so freaking cool. This is so freaking cool. Especially with the search. Incredible. All right, so why don't we push this? Why don't we push this? So this was git log. So we'll do docs, make docs, add CLI reference. We're probably going to need to add docs for docs now that I'm thinking about it. So does this automatically trigger a build now? That's the one thing I'm not sure of. Does this trigger a build for me? No. So the last time I did this, I did make docs GitHub deploy force. Oh, example configurations. Wait, is that not going properly to the place where it should? Let's find out. In installation, okay, so maybe that should be example. Maybe that should be like this. Not like that. VI curly braces, example. There we go. Let's just fix that up real quick. Yep. Git commit amend, git push force, make docs, GitHub deploy force. Okay. Now for the moment of truth. So did that latest change get deployed though? Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Oh wait, this one too? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this. I'm so freaking happy with this. Yeah, that's the latest. So let's take a quick look around. Anybody can go and see this now. gz.github.io/Komorebi. Yep, it'll bring you to here. You got getting started, you got the CLI reference, you got, I don't know, monitor, yeah. You got display index preference, yeah. I'm very happy with this. This was a great session. Like in the last session, I felt like I accomplished absolutely nothing. And in this session, I feel like I accomplished so much, you know? Yeah. And so like the next thing I'm gonna do is at the bottom here, I can add now a link that says, hey, you know, if you want to look at what other Komorebi C commands that you can bind to key combinations, head on over and look at the CLI reference. And you can do any of these commands. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm so happy. All right. Let's wrap this on up. Let's wrap this on up while we can still end on a positive note. Let's say a thank you to all of the lovely sponsors of this project. Thank you, private sponsor number 1. Thank you, EFL1P, Julian, Evan, Maxwell, Red Lobster, Darian, Leandro, Alex, Kwang, Surefire, Michael, Pavel, and Hisayuki. My friends, you are all amazing. Thank you so much for your support. If you too would like to become a sponsor, head on over to here, the sponsor page. You can become a monthly sponsor, you can do a one-time sponsorship. Honestly, even if it's just $1 a month, it makes a very big difference to me. If, however, you are not in a position to become a sponsor, the very next best thing that you can do is hit subscribe on the YouTube channel, keep watching the videos. I think we're 200 watch hours away from getting ad revenue on all of the ads that are playing, on all of the live programming videos, on all of the tutorial videos. So, just keep coming back, keep supporting the project. I appreciate you all so much. All right, my friends, that is all for today. I hope that whatever you all do today, you have a great day. Free Palestine, and I'll see you all back here next time.